So this is the 2010 F-150. We're not doing anything of that, but we're doing this right here. And down here, there's a little bit of rust. Just prime that. I just hit it with some Rollac disc, and I hit some 9080 320, and then I hit it with some this whole piece 220 inch 500 up there. Switch fenders off. There's one, there's two. I'm gonna take a look over on this side, and this is doing the same thing. It was rusting around the door handle. Seems like they all do that. And this side was a little worse, but I grind it all the way down. We're gonna do some rock recovery on it. So this is for my work. I mean, it's an alright truck, but I'll definitely keep you posted on it and let you see the final look of it. I think it'll come out alright. We're gonna do a chrome plate on the side here, you know, the whole bottom side. Then we got some fender flares. We're debating on color matching them or just slapping them on and leaving them black. Trying to see what would look better. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe to see more content. Hopefully I'm gonna come out and start filming more stuff at work. And also, sorry about the quality. It's all raw footage. I haven't figured out how to do any of that yet, but I will. Thanks for watching.